So let's talk about water kefir, or more specifically how to start making water kefir. And buckle up because there's going to be quite a bit of information in this one. Sort of like how kombucha has a SCOBY, water kefir has what's commonly called water kefir grains. Whether you buy dried kefir grains online or get given hydrated kefir grains, this process is almost the same. First thing I like to do is make a 6% sugar water using filtered or bottled water at room temperature. That means if you have 1 liter of water, I'll use 60 grams of sugar since 1 liter is equal to 1000 grams and 6% of 1000 is 60. Also, if you're starting off with a small amount of kefir grains, I'd recommend doing smaller batches of sugar water. Completely dissolve the sugar into the water. At 6%, heating up the water isn't really necessary, just mix for a couple minutes and the sugar should dissolve. Add the kefir grains to your water, loosely cover with a lid or cheesecloth, and then set it aside at room temperature. Ideally, you want it to be around 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. If it's warmer, the kefir will work faster, and if it's colder, the kefir will take longer. At around 20 to 25 degrees Celsius though, I find 2 days works well, and like with everything fermentation, this process will produce trace levels of alcohol, but nowhere near enough to have any effect. If you are using dried kefir, you want to repeat this process maybe 2 or 3 times just to get the kefir grains up and running. I also like to add some of the kefir water from the previous batch into the new batch of sugar water. But after 2 days of fermenting, you can bottle your kefir with various fruits or fruit juices, let it sit for another couple days to make some delicious naturally carbonated fruit sodas. The best part is, the more you repeat this process, the more kefir grains you'll get, as they actively grow and produce more and more grains. In about a month, I was able to double the amount of grains I have, and now I'm making up to 2 liter batches of water kefir at a time.